Macka,
Yeah. People often cross the line.
Me nah stop trying until me get that line. Me nah stop trying. You want me satisfied.
Blessed love and greetings, my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens, lion and lioness, big up on yourself. Welcome to Lion Food TV. You know the man of patience, I give thanks to life, thanks to give thanks to another day. Blessed Friday morning, you know what I mean? Yes, man, big up everybody who wake up. Make sure you praise the Lord. Give thanks to life. Yes, man, don't forget to like and share the content, subscribe and click the bell. Viewers and subscribers, in this episode, we have some music update. You see me? Yeah, man. So, I want to go check out Macka Diamond, brand new song, African King, and the reggae rhythm. Jesus, Macka Diamond has show versatility. But we have Amari with I Pray, Tifa. Tifa C&ught. Yeah. You see me, I say, got engaged. You see me? Big up Tifa and her fiance. Yeah, man. And also Chacka Demus with a brand new song. You see me, I say, yeah, man. So you don't know, we have Non-Stop Try by I. So, you see it, you're going to run through it. You see me, I say, yeah, man. So big up on yourself. Don't go nowhere, we are forward.
I watch them on the channel represent for Lion Food TV. You're real G. Tell them on the strongest soldiers get the hardest fight. Lion Food Patriots out there.
Yes, man. So first, we want to say congratulations to Tifa and, you don't know, our partner, Demus Almighty, artist as well, you know? Yeah, so in proposed to her, you see me? So watch where I go on. We're going to chip in and chip out because I know the copyright song. You see, Bonnie and Clyde by Amari. Yo, what a surprise. Tifa scream out here, scream, man. Yo, what a feeling.
Lord, I think of you daily. You're my one and only lady. Will you have my baby?
Yes, man, a big man moved up by Demus Almighty, and I wish you all the best and happiness in the endeavors and long life, you know, and on the proposal and marriage.
I love you, you love me. We're in love like Bonnie and Clyde. Love you, baby.
Yes, man, that track playing is titled Bonnie and Clyde by Amari. You know that I mean.
But your back down to worry. I'll never leave your side. Never. You and I were meant to be like the breath in our life.
If I shouldn't lose you, baby, I surely cry. Yes, man, Bonnie and Clyde. Check out the official music video shot in Belize. You see me, I say. But big up Tifa and you don't know Demus Almighty. Once again, I wish you all the best in your marriage and relationship. Moving on, Macka Diamond with African King. Yes, Macka Diamond with a brand new song, African King.
Everything natural about you, baby. And I will say, I'm gonna take the time out to show you how much I appreciate you. Yeah. Oh yeah.
Yeah, Macka Diamond, man, son like, yo, Macka Diamond, a veteran and professional, you know. Yeah. Nah, like, when I drink all man, I like coconut jelly there right, you know.
You are me African king. You give me everything. You give me diamond gold. Your love so natural, it make me sing.
Yes, man, black never cracks. So Macka Diamond make you know it's African King short thing there, you know. You see me? Yeah, man.
Me say me African king. You lift me up when me a sing. You're always by my side from the first day we link. Me are the queen in your ring, yeah.
Yes, man, big up the strong back man them, you know. We have made the woman them feel comfortable and happy and secure. So me I say, yes, man, we know the jelly back man them.
So from the day me met you, you never gave up. You say you got to get me out. Even when you beg me, I'ma still I tell you no. You tell me say you have to be the star in my show. Oh.
Yes, that is it. Just a little sneak peek. See, we're going to check out Macka Diamond song, African King. You see me I say, big up the man never know. So if you see a girl you like and you look her, don't give up, you know what I mean? Sometimes the woman them want to see how strong you is, how patient you is, you know what I mean? And also get to know you, observe your style and ways and see if he's a good character. Don't give up so easy. Fight for what you want. So I say, I remember treat the woman them nice. Moving on now, up next we have Amari with a song called I Pray.
Yeah, 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 yeah. People often cross the line. I pray.
One thing with Amari in her style and flow different. Yes, I said the one DJ Mona Lisa. People always cross the line. I care how much we show them a respect.
That you will be okay. That you will find a way. Hey.
Yeah, man, you will be okay and you will find a way. I want to get Amari. Her words them very encouraging and uplifting, you know, motivating. Yes, man.
And you will make it through another day. Yeah.
Yes, man, always remember say tomorrow is another day to try again, you know. Big up Amari. Yeah.
I've been praying. I'll pray every day. I up and pray night and day.
Yes, Amari, nothing beat prayer, you know. Prayers move mountain. So that is Amari, brand new song titled I Pray. Viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think. Yes, man. Moving on now, we have Chacka Demus with a brand new track called Believe in You.
Whatever you do, believe in you. Don't let nobody tell you what you can do. Whatever you do, believe in you. Don't let nobody tell you what you can do.
Yes, man. Whatever you do, believe in you. Don't make nobody tell you what you can do. Yes, what I say? Do it after your own choice. Make your own decision. Because some people act like them with you, them not believe in you. Some people go like them want you make it, but deep down them don't want to see you make it. So be your own boss, be your own dictator. Is it?
Whatever you do, believe in you. Don't let nobody tell you what you can do. Whatever you do, believe in you. Don't let nobody tell you what you can do. Flashing lights.
Yes, man, that is it. Chacka Demus, whatever you do, believe in you. Don't make nobody tell you what you can do. You know what I mean? Yes, so you don't know. Big up Chacka Demus. Positive song again, like Amari song. Yes, it. As I move along, we have this track called Nah Stop Try.
Me nah stop trying until me get that flying. Me nah stop trying. Me want be satisfied.
Yes, man. Determination is the key to success. So big up the people who are try for how long and are not fulfill yet. Keep on trying. Don't give up.
Me nah stop trying. Fly low, fly high. Me nah stop trying until the day I die.
Yes, man, Nah Stop Try by I Amari, out on all digital platforms. And look out for the visuals are forward soon. Sure, I'll be done in Jamaica, so stay tuned. Big up everybody on the platform. You don't know, I love our unity, we see and strength. Give thanks for your support. And remember, go check out Macka Diamond song, African King. You don't know, Amari song, I Pray. You see me, Chacka Demus, Believe in You. And you don't know, congratulations again to Tifa, you know what I mean, and her fiance. You see it? I'm gonna check out the song Now Stop Try. You see what I say? Nah, I'm a lie. Big up on yourself. Blessed love. Have a blessed weekend. Stay tuned for the next vlogger forward. See? Yeah, man. Make sure you like, subscribe, and click the bell and share. Tell a friend to tell a friend.